Good morning, people. Hope you guys having a great awesome day. So I'm back to the YouTube videos. So I'm so honored I'm back to this video. So anyway, in front of me I have a all-time my favorite Mercedes Benz E250 BlueTech diesel engine. This is one of my best and my favorite Mercedes Benz vehicle I ever reviewed, and I think I've done this videos before about this vehicle. So at the dealership just got this car and I can't stop myself to make a video about this one. So the reason I love this one is this is a diesel, lasts longer. Just think about it, this brand new car was about $60,000. so in front of me, 2016, about a 4-year-old, it's got about 27,000 or 28,000 miles. It's fairly used condition, everything is absolutely beautiful, but we are only selling about $23,000 in the market of February 2020. So you basically getting 60% off on the new one. So enough talking about the marketing, but we're gonna talk about a little bit about the car. So this car has a luxury package, sunroof, premium sound system, some other, and with all that the price is only $23,000. So let's talk about a little bit about the rims. It's got a luxury package, rims on it, Mercedes Benz at 17-inch. And let's take a look at the tail light. This is the really nice beautiful tail light, and as you see it's a E250 BlueTech. BlueTech means it's a diesel. That's what Mercedes-Benz term is. It's got double exhaust. Those are actual exhaust. None of them are fake. This is actual exhaust. And let's take a look at the trunk. And this car is absolutely luxury. Just look at it. It's got a power gate. This is absolutely beautiful. Just take a look at it. And I like this little feature right there. It's a box. You can get up to 20 pounds. Just a look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't think I've seen any other vehicle. There might be. So, oops, forgot to click on that one. There you go. All right, let's take a look at it in the back seats. So E250, it's much bigger than C-Class, and then it's got enough leg room, enough headroom, and it's such a beautiful luxury Mercedes they ever made, this diesel one. And interesting things about it is it's under the hood. Let's take a look at under the hood. There you go. I love this diesel engine sound. Just look at it. Just hear this diesel engine. This one has a 2.1 liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated, turbo diesel, I'm sorry. It's got about 195 horsepower, but it's got a little bit of more torque, which is 369. So it does awesome job for the fuel efficiency. So you can get up to 42 miles per gallon in highway, or up to 45. So people say you can get up to 45. So this, like I said, this is all-time my favorite vehicle. So I do enjoy listening this diesel sound. So I'm gonna shut this one and take a look at it of the headlight. Just take a look at the headlight. This is an absolutely beautiful LED light. This running light also absolutely beautiful. So this aggressive, sporty looking bumper, also such an amazing, beautiful Mercedes made. So what do you guys think about this vehicle? Definitely comment down below what you think about this beautiful Mercedes. And I did mention about the wheels. This is a luxury wheels. So, all right, let's hit the road and drive this. I mean, Mercedes. You can't call this a BMW. And so how it feels. All right, a little bit of interior. It does have a premium sound system, which is Harman Kardon. It does have a heated seat. This is one of the options. It's got navigation. I do love this classic Mercedes, the watch. I love it. So it's got a backup camera. It does have the sunroof as well. It's such a beautiful thing. So, and there's have Bluetooth, some other features on that. USB port, some other. All right, if you are ready, let's drive this. Now we are ready to roll. Such an amazing experience. It is early morning. It's about 8:30 or so in Tennessee, Mount Juliet area, but it is such a great experience to drive early morning this Mercedes. I do love this Mercedes. I really do. This is one of my favorite Mercedes that I wanted to buy for a long time. It's just, you can get mid-20s this luxury diesel. Because just think about it. MSRP is, I think, close to $60,000 this vehicle, so you can get under 20. I mean, close to 20. This is such an amazing. Drives, handles, everything. It does a great job, this Mercedes. There's a couple of deers that are crossing the road. Okay. .195 horsepower. That's a pretty decent job. It's not too slow, but pound-feet of torque is actually 369. It gets you to be pretty quick. And I actually really love and enjoy this premium sound system. What they call is Harman Kardon sound system. I think Mercedes still makes this Harman Kardon sound system, just like other Bose, Olufsen something, I think it's the Audi comes with, and some other one. It's about the same. It's actually, the sound system is pretty good. I do enjoy my car comes with a premium sound system because you spend more time with the car. You want to be able to listen some quality sound. And there's blind spot monitor, safety features, and it's really nice to have it. And navigation also. You don't use daily, but you are planning to go, road trip or so. This definitely helps out. And heated seat is gotta have it. Driving a premium vehicle, you gotta have a premium heated seat. So if you live in the area, comes get cold sometimes, you gotta have a heated seat. I've seen some Mercedes, don't remember which one was it, but some of them, they don't even come with heated seat. So I have to mention this car comes with different mode. The S means sport, E means eco, I think, and then regular, I think, is the normal one. Yeah, any of you guys looking at this premium vehicle, it's a first of all luxury price. It's mid, I would say a low 20s, and gets you better mile per gallon. So this is the car to go. Getting the diesel about the same price with the premium gasoline. Anyway, if you purchase the other one, it's gonna have the same price, and you can get up to 42 to 45 mile per gallon highway, which is, you can beat that one. And just driving experience is actually absolutely gorgeous. So this one has a lines and monitor, so it vibrates when you hit the lane. I love that. Let's see. I don't know if you hear that. I feel some vibration because I'm passing this one. It's such a nice you know, safety features, and the also has a blind spot monitor. It's nice to have it. So I am so honored to make this video, and you know, you gotta appreciate this life. We are having such a great life, and I am really honored to be in this life and making these videos. So I really hope this video gives you some more information about this Mercedes. If one of you guys looking at the purchasing, if it helps one person, just only one person, I am probably the happiest person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any concern, any questions, definitely comment down below. All the comments, I do look at it. I try to respond professionally. So we're back to the dealership, and we're gonna park the car, and hopefully another happy customer will probably gonna purchase it and enjoy another, you know, 10 years if they're looking to keep this vehicle. So I'm gonna park this car and walk around one more time and end this video. All right, here's the parking button right there. I really hope you enjoy this quick short video about this Mercedes E250 BlueTech. With my experiences, absolutely great with this Mercedes diesel. Not a lot of people are familiar with the diesel, but diesels are all time, last longer, gets better mile per gallon vehicles. So if you're interested in one of these vehicles, I would definitely highly recommend purchase it and enjoy your life, because we only live one life, so why can't you enjoy it? So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely subscribe, and makes me make more video about like this. Thank you, and we'll see you on next video.